750.32 pesos interest or finance charge because kulang ang bayad. Pag-usapan natin yan. So guys, this is an example kung bakit kailangan laging buo at down to the last centimo ang pagbayad mo sa statement balance mo or sa total amount due mo. Because if you look into the previous statement, ang total amount due is 34,074.88 pesos. Now, payments were made naman ng 34,000 pesos. Kulang ng pagbayad ng 74.88 pesos. Now, ang interest or finance charge retail purchase, that's in short interest, it's 750.32 pesos. Ganyan kalaki. Because why? Kahit 1 cents lang ang kulang mo. Guys, ang interest na kino-compute ng bangko is usually, may formula yan, you can watch my other videos, usually roughly 3% yan ng total balance mo ng amount due. That's why sinasabi ko, kailangan pag magbabayad kayo, always, down to the last centimo, kailangan sakto yun. Okay lang sobra, wag lang kulang. Because tingnan mo, 75 pesos ang kulang mo, 74.88 pesos. Pero tingnan mo ang interest, times 10 doon sa kinulang mong bayad. And usually, kahit tawagan mo yung hotline, paminsan, more often than not, hindi nila i-waive yung charges na yan. Because again, that is the terms that you agreed whenever you use that credit card. Some banks might be kind, but a lot of the banks hindi kind. That's why it's very important to make sure that you track your bills. The Kaskasan Buddies app, you can track your bills there or your credit cards. Kung yung banko or the credit card that you have is not in the app, you can use a generic card, my bank card yung name nun, to track your bills. Guys, importante you have the total amount due plus the due date para alam mo, reminder, pay on time and full every single time. And of course, lahat ng mga bills mo dapat i-track natin yan. The app is free of charge. Pwede nyo i-download sa Play Store or sa Apple App Store.